Today, I'm going to tell you how to get 45,000 credits in Google Gemini and generate unlimited videos.
If you utilize Video 3.1 Fast Mode within Gemini Ultra Pro, then not even a single credit gets used. This implies that we can generate an unlimited number of videos with it and your credits will not be spent whatsoever.
The sky wears tears like silver pearls, each drop a whisper from hidden worlds. The wind hums low a forgotten tune, while shadows dance beneath the moon. Whispers in the